Hello everyone and welcome back with another content helping you to expand your consciousness from 3D into 5D. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question I received from Los Angeles, California. Hi Liz, I was watching another video and quantum healing codes were mentioned. What are they? How to use and where can I find them? Thanks for sharing and thanks for your contents. I'm more than happy to answer this question. So let's dive deep into that because this is a very interesting subject and I want to make it simple, okay? Then you can understand how to use. Before that, I want to talk a little bit about healing in 5D. What's exactly healing 5D? It's when we as humans and doctors, the young doctors, we will have the consciousness that the integrative medicine is the solution. Because when a pathology or a pain or an imbalance appears in the physical body, it's only the tip of the iceberg. Science proved already that more than 85% of the diseases we have on the planet right now, it starts in the psyche, okay? In the psychological, in the mental body. Let's put this away. So then I have to mention that we have 4 bodies regardless to diseases and imbalances in general. Our physical body, which is in the 3rd dimension, and we are here, we can see everything. But we have also the mental body, the spiritual body, and the emotional body. So when something happens, it's already happening in all bodies together. And that's why you have to adopt not only the treatment with medicaments or the doctors, the Western medicine, but also techniques for the other bodies. All right? That being said, let's talk about the quantum healing codes. The quantum healing codes were sent to planet Earth in 2014 by Archangel Raphael, Divine Mother, and Source, God, call as you wish. In this time, these codes were channeled by a group of people, about 9 people if I'm not wrong, and they were put into a file with a PDF file that's just running all over the world. So this is the first idea. They are numbers, they're codes, numbers because we already know that the universe communicates with us through numbers. And the idea of this quantum healing code is to activate our potentiality of auto-healing for self-healing so we can heal ourselves. And these codes, they help us on that. Another thing to be said is that the quantum healing codes were channeled for all the systems basically in our body, for the nerve system, endocrine system, spiritual body, emotional bodies, psychology imbalance, psychiatric imbalance, and there are also codes for animals, which is fascinating. All right, so you can use for all the systems, and I will give you examples in a minute, okay? Well, another thing I want to say is how to use them. So let's go to the numbers and I will use here code as an example. Okay, so here we have the code written for stress relief. And if you see here, we have 13, 13, 5, 1, 4. And if you observe the spaces, okay, between them, those spaces, they have to be respected when you copy the codes. Okay, this is very important because only by writing the way you really see them, you are gonna activate their power. All right, next, respect the sequence. Not to change, not to alter, nothing. Just use the way it presents themselves. So how to use really them? So you got the number and you have this one for stress relief and you know you have to respect this space already and you have to set an intention. The intention here, for example, my intention for this code is to decrease my stress levels. Just an example, okay? So you have to encode the way you want and you have the intention already. Then you have to write the numbers in your energy field. because quantum healing codes will act in the invisible, in our energy sphere, all right? How to do that? In a very simple way. With your finger, 13, 13, 514. You can write this big or small, or you can write direct in your body like near. If it's for a pain, specific pain, you can just write in the location of your pain, your disease, the imbalance, whatsoever. Another way that you can do that is drawing your skin, or you can have a paper like this folded and walk with you. Just carry the paper with you everywhere you go. Sometimes I do that. I just get a pen, and if I have a shoulder or something pain, I just write them. You can write down with your finger in your food, in your water. So, as you wish, you have to be in contact with the number as long as possible or as often as possible. And this is the next point. How much practice, intention, trust you put in this number will be related to the result of your healing. Because you have to stick on it for a period of time. And if you just use the code one day, next week, then of course it's not going to work. And more than that, I think more than this is to use your intuition. Maybe you're watching this video and say, I don't believe that, I don't see that, so don't do it. Very honestly speaking, don't do it, because this kind of treatment it acts in the energy level, right? In energy level, you don't basically see it. Some people see it, but most of us, we don't see that. So you have to really trust that this is working for you, okay? Another disclaimer I want to have here, I want to mention that it's really interesting that you can use more than one code at once. It's very difficult to find a person that has only one issue running, according to my own experience, years and years, treating people. Normally a person has a back pain, headache, or it's all simultaneously because of the quality of our lives nowadays. Everything's very stressful, everything's so busy, everything's so timey, the time is strange. What's time nowadays? And so you can use more than one code at once. What else do I have here? This is very important to say. The codes, quantum healing codes, do not replace medical treatment, medicaments, nothing like this. Remember, the real healing, the healing from within, is the healing that you do by taking different techniques for each one of your bodies. Again, not only physical, which is the doctors, the body checks, which are very important for the physical body, but also when you take action and start using treatments, techniques, therapies for the mental body, spiritual body, and emotional bodies. Okay? So these are very important to mention here. Do not stop or quit your treatment that you may be doing. And remember that the quantum healing code will empower the treatment you are having now. All right? Another thing I have here, how can you know if the codes are working? Well, sometimes your physical body already shows the reduction of symptoms or the pain. Everybody's different, right? But also one sign of healing is when you start having really memories back from really old memories or old dreams that you remember, or even you start having dreams again. These are signs that the healing is happening already in a deep level, very deep level, because then when you have those memories, you may have an idea why and when this issue started, so then it's there to be healed. Okay, what else? This is the quantum healing working. About timing, depends. Everybody's different, as I said, so it's difficult to really affirm that takes. But what I can say is trust intention in the numbers and frequency. Frequency is more than important here. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. It's more than important. The codes here, this is very important information that was channeled in this group by the mother, the Divine Mother, they called. That is, the codes cannot be sold or exchanged. This is very important. And I really want to read a little bit of the passage of this channeling message to give you an idea. So here says, these codes and instructions are never to be sold or exchanged. It's for free use of all humans. The order cannot be changed and the spaces in the numbers are important. Write the numbers carefully. Okay? So you don't have to buy the codes. If someone comes and say, I wanna sell the codes to you, don't. No. Thank you very much. I can find it for free. Okay? If you want to receive, I have a 52 pages PDF with all the quantum healing codes channeled so far. If you want to have them, I'm more than happy to share this with you. Just leave in the comments, I want to receive the PDF. Just let me know how I can send you the PDF. You may leave your Facebook, or you may leave your Instagram, or your email address, or you reach me out because I have in the description down below, I have all my videos and everything. So just let me know if you want to receive the PDF. I will really share this with you really happily. There is no promotion. I'm not gonna use your email for anything. Just be cool. I just wanna send you the PDF if you wanna have them. And I will share some codes I separated for us today for this video. But before, if you like this content, as always, love and gratitude button for me. I really appreciate. Leave your question, leave your comment. I will really, another live or another video here with the answer will be cool. Of course, share the video if you think someone liked this information. Subscribe to the channel, come back to the channel, and if you resonate with the idea of living fully, donations to the channel, I really appreciate it. So let's see. I have here already again. You may, kind of can take a screenshot if you want, right? Okay, stress relief 1313 514. Then we have here for back pain 7181 533. Then for fear, to reduce fear, right? 4258 725. Headache 2374 555. For helping manifesting 1167 692, sorry. For forgiveness, maybe the issue can be related to forgiving someone or some situation, whatever. 33 45 10 101. To balance all chakras at once, 56 51 521. To increase motivation, very important nowadays, 24 824 9625. To experience unconditional love, 56 57 893. And last but not least, to improve memory, 22 11 377. Okay? So here are the numbers. You may watch again and pause this video, and then you can copy or take a screenshot in slower pace or in slower speed. Wow! I hope this content helps and inspires you somehow. If you want me to go deeper in this quantum healing codes or quantum healing, just leave in the comments that I can record a longer video about that. But for today, I leave it for now. And as always, very nice to have you here. I'm sending lots of love, lots of blessings, lots of gratitude. I'm wishing you a very nice week ahead. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.